Are you having the same conversations over and over again and nothing seems to change? You don't have a communication problem, you have an accountability problem. I'm Renée Safrata, and here's what most leaders miss. Agreement does not equal accountability. Most teams talk through things. They leave the meeting feeling clear, and then nothing actually changes. Because accountability doesn't actually happen in the conversation, it happens in the follow through. So let's talk about Sam. She leads a marketing team, and one of her team members keeps missing deadlines. She addresses it, and of course, the person says it won't happen again. And for a week, she does see improvement. Then another deadline slips. After a few weeks, later again, this keeps happening and happening, and Sam just keeps getting more and more frustrated. Nothing is sticking. Fixing this isn't about being harder on people. It's about being clear and consistent. And here's what really works. It's a series of steps. Step one, you need to get clear on what the deal is. What exactly needs to happen? That doesn't mean saying do better or be more proactive. You need to really be specific about what does success look like. And then step two is what we call the video test. It's describing what you actually see, not assumptions, not interpretations, but observable behavior. For example, I noticed you missed the last two deadlines. And step three, most important, pause. Most leaders rush to fill the silence, and that's where they get into problems. Don't do that. Let the other person respond. That's where ownership begins. And step four, reconnect again to that goal. Why does this matter? Tie the behavior to the team's outcome. Don't make it personal. This is actually a shared responsibility. Step five is build the solution together. Don't just tell them what to do. Ask, what's your plan to fix this? And if they can't answer, then work it through with them. But they do need to own it. Step six, follow up. This is where accountability breaks. No follow up, no change. Consistency is what turns conversations into big results. When accountability is weak, the cost shows up everywhere. Missed deadlines, repeated mistakes, frustrations. And your top performers quietly carry the load. That's not just frustrating, that's expensive. Because when nothing changes, you keep paying for the same problem over and over and over again. When you build accountability into your team operates, things start to stick, and performance improves. And leaders get out of that cycle of repeating it over and over again. If you want to explore more ways to drive team performance, download Vivo Team's guide, The 6 Key Indicators of Highly Functioning Team, in the link below. Let's stop repeating the problem and start reinforcing the solution. Because when you invest in people, the results will follow. When people truly understand the message, work gets done the right way the first time.